Hello guys and welcome back. So now from this video onwards we will start adding different rifles to our player. So the next rifle which we will be adding will be this shotgun. Okay, so for the shotgun, first of all we need to create a new animator controller. So for that, let's duplicate the gun animator. Okay, and once you duplicate it, click on rename and let's rename this to shotgun animator. That's it. If we open this up, there is all of the parameters and animation set up already, but for now ignore this, and what we can do is to now add the animations for shotgun. So guys, go ahead and download this shotgun WinRAR file, and once you download this, click on extract here, and let me tell you that you can use your own animations if you want. Once you have the animation, then just simply drag and drop this. Actually, let me first of all open up the animations folder, then drag and drop this in here. So now we have the animations for the shotgun. Let's click on rig. As you can see, the rig is generic, so let's select all of the animations and change the rig from generic to humanoid. Click apply, and now if we select any animation, as you can see, now the player can play that animations, as you can see. So this will be animations for the player shotgun. Now we have the animator right here, and we have the animations as well. Now let's add and position the shotgun. So inside the player, first of all, what we will do is to simply select both of the handgun and simply disable them. Okay, because for now we just need to focus on the shotgun. Then go inside guns, prefabs, gun model. Let's drag and drop this shotgun in the right shoulder. Okay, then click on prefab, unpack completely. Let me move this up there, and then let's rename this to shotgun. Let me minimize the left shoulder so that we focus on the shotgun now. Okay, now what we can do is to click on resources, open up the shotgun animator, then go inside the player and player character animation shotgun, and for now let's select the animation which is by the name of idle aim shotgun. So just drag and drop that in there and set this as the default. Okay, and for now leave this as it is. Okay, and make sure that you selected the shotgun animator controller, not the player or the gun. Okay, don't get confusing here or you will mess up all of your animations. Okay, this is for the gun, this is the player, and then this is the shotgun. Okay, now click on player and now click on animator, and let's drag and drop this shotgun animator controller in here. Okay, once you do that, let's go ahead now and play the game. And now let's position our shotgun. Okay, so if we first of all, let's actually reset the shotgun. Okay, save the game. Now let's play the game, and the game starts. Here is our player. Okay, let's click on scene. There it is, the player is playing the idle hold animation. So what we can do now is position the shotgun correctly. So if we move it on that side, then like this. Okay, let's move it outside the player body, and then let's rotate it like this. And guys, you are free to reposition your own rifles however you want. Okay, so let's position the shotgun correctly. Okay, right here in the player arms, like that. Okay, think it looks good like that. Let me play the game. You can see it looks good like this, okay, as you can see, but we need to make it perfect, okay. So let's make this minus 60, okay, and let's make this minus 60 as well. Let's make this 10. Okay, now as you can see, it is now more accurately placed. As you can see, you can just make these values closer to the whole value. For example, if it is 59, then make it 60, and if it is, for example, 89 or something, 85, then make it 90. Okay, and then as you can see, it will be placed more accurately. Now if we check it in the game view, okay, it looks good like this, as you can see, but there is problem with the hand right there, and this is due to the animations. Okay, of course can't make my own animations now, this is from the Unity asset store, but if you are using some other animation which are perfectly fine, then this will not be an issue for you to solve. Okay, but we can still fix this, I think, if we move it like this. Okay, let's move it somewhere there. Okay, whoops. Okay, now if you check it out, as you can see, it shows the shotgun right here, as you can see. So I think it looks good like this. As you can see, we can move the shotgun right here. Okay, move it there. Okay, place it in the player finger. Actually, it looks more good now. Let's move it a little bit down. That. Now if you check it out, as you can see now, it looks more good now. Whoops, click on handgun, not handgun, shotgun. Yeah, okay, it looks good like this. Let me move it down a little, and let's rotate it a little bit like that. That's it. I think it looks good now. Okay, we will leave this as it is. You can reposition this however you want, but now it looks good. So just don't stop the game, or else your values will be gone. First of all, make the values perfectly fine. For example, 10, then minus 60, and then minus 60 as well. And once you do that, then simply click on copy component, and make sure that you copy it twice so that the values don't get messed up. Now when you stop the game, as you can see, the values are gone, but we already copy that, so now we can paste the component values, and as you can see, the shotgun is now in the player arms. And now if we play the game, you will notice the shotgun will be in the player arms correctly, as you can see. Okay, so now the player is holding the shotgun. For now the player can't move or shoot or anything because we don't have the shotgun script for now. So in the next video we will add the shotgun script and allow the player to shoot and walk using the shotgun rifle. So catch you guys in the next one.